Right, so we're on the 23rd of June now. I have not watered at all this weekend, which is really bad of me. We've had too many parties to go to be honest. So, when I say we, I mean the children. So it's quite nice to see what's about. Pumpkins are coming. My cucumbers don't seem to be doing that well, but the courgette plants are amazing. I love sunflowers. Oh, I'm really glad that the radishes have gone to seed actually, because it's quite pretty. The poppies are looking lovely. So we weren't sure what these were, and someone actually tasted it thinking it's fennel and went, ugh. So daisies, there you go. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's more flowers than I thought. That's really nice. Okay, I know it's a fudge patch, but I've got to have some pollinators. Let's check some of them. Yeah, oh no, can tell we've not watered and they need time back. Oh no, don't snap, please don't snap. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, I'm happy with that. So my chart's coming up lovely. My potatoes are done. Right, so the polytunnel I'm actually a bit concerned about because it's been a really hot weekend and we've not watered. They're alive! It's alive! Oh my goodness! It's definitely alive! We've got lots of flowers! Oh! Does anyone know? Like, we have heard, obviously. I think everyone's heard. The flowers are edible. Do you cook them? You can't cook them. You must. If you cook them, surely it destroy. Is it just like you put it on the plate and someone eats it? Or are you meant to do anything with it? Are you meant to put sugar on it or anything? So says the diabetic. Oh my goodness. Oh look. It's come off. Oh, just dropped off. Oh, it smells quite nice. Yeah, I'm not sure I'd eat it though, but maybe I will try. Not today. Maybe one of them at a later point, maybe. Right, and then the other one is what's going on in here. So, lack of water is getting the tomatoes. Yeah, I need to sort that out. Oops. Okay, watering time. Oh, one thing I didn't check is Craig did come up on the Friday after work and is meant to have fixed these. He's fixed them! He's fixed them! Right, okay. We have things to grow up now. I'm not sure how to do it, but we have them. We will see. Right, okay, I'm going to crack on and water. I'll see you lovely people later. Oh, that's really sad. But hopefully everything can continue. I really hope it all continues. I don't remember cutting that off. Anyway, there we go. Bye.